Hi everybody, I'm Rudy and this is Nick and we're with the Camano Island Fire and Rescue. Today I'm going to go over some boater safety to help you while you're out on the water. First aid kit, as you can see what we carry here. But you can also make a purchase of a pre-made kit at any one of your local stores. One of the most common things that we recommend that our boaters carry are, for instance, heat packs, thermal blankets. Also, a variety of band-aids, bandages, anything that your first aid kit will basically carry. Oars and paddles. For those of you who have been on the water a great amount of time, I'm sure you've experienced some form of mechanical issue, such as running out of gas. This is just one of the ones that we carry on our boat, just for precautionary. Bailing systems. First off, make sure your plug is in the boat. But if you need to, if you're taking on water, have a bucket on board or your onboard bilge system and that it's operating properly. Anchors and lines, as you can see here. Make sure your anchor is appropriate size for your boat and that your line is in good working order. We also recommend that you carry a set of flares with you that aren't expired. Flashlights, make sure your batteries are functional. And a flare gun. For more information about boater safety and regulations, go to the U.S. Coast Guard webpage or the Washington State Recreation page. Thank you for being safe with Camano Island Fire and Rescue.